Guys, welcome back to Electrical Preps. So today we are looking at this equation. We have 1 plus 1 on x, or in bracket exponent x plus 1, and it's equal to 1 plus 1 over 23 exponent 23. In this case, we are solving for x. Please, if today is the first time of visiting our channel, kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy more exciting and tricky questions together. Thank you for doing that. So from here, you can see that we get the LCM to be x. Okay. Then, so x times 1, we are going to get x here. Then s divided by x, which is 1. So plus 1. All exponents x plus 1 is equal to. Now, this you can see that 23 will be the LCM. Then 20 goes here 23 plus 23 divided by 23, which is 1. So times 1. All exponents 23. So from here, you're going to get x plus 1 on x to bracket exponent x plus 1, which is equal to 23 plus 1 is 24 over 23, all exponents 23. Now, looking at this, let us multiply the left hand side by -1. Okay, by doing so, we are going to get negative x minus 1 on negative x, all exponents x plus 1. Okay, and it's equal to 24 on 23, all exponents 23. So from here, we are getting this. So let us find the reciprocal of this function. Okay, the reciprocal of this function means that we are going to get negative x minus 1, all exponents. Since we are finding the reciprocal of this is going to change. Okay, so it will be negative x negative 1, which is equal to 24 on 23 exponents 23. Now, let's compare some terms here. You can see that 23 is the exponent here is 23. Okay, for the right hand side, we have 24 on 23. Comparing terms, you can see that this 23 is the same as this. Now, let's look at this. We have negative x minus 1. The denominator of this is negative x minus 1. Okay, so now we can compare terms here. You can see that negative x minus 1 is equal to 23. Okay, it's equal to 23. And then we can also say that x is equal to negative x is equal to 24. Okay, so from here, solving for x, we can see that x is equal to negative 24. So this will be our answer for this equation. Now let us verify to see if what we are saying satisfies the equation. So let us check. So we're having 1 plus, so let's do it. 1 plus 1 on x exponent x plus 1, which is equal to 1 plus 1 over 23, or exponent 23. Now, when x is equal to negative 24, you're going to get 1 over, so it will be 1 plus 1 over negative 24 exponent negative 24 plus 1 is it equal to, so this one, when you sum up, you are going to get this and this to be 24 over 23, all exponents 23, like this. Now, this and this, we are going to get this CM to be negative 24, right? So we are going to get the 1 plus, which will be 1 minus 1 over 24. Okay, because of this negative sign is affecting the whole thing here. All into brackets. Negative 24 plus 1, we are going to get negative 23. Is it equal to 24 on 23 exponent 23? Now, with this, you can rewrite this as 24 over 24 minus 1 over 24, or exponent negative 23. Is it equal to 24 on 23? Now, we are having the same denominator, so we say that 24 over, again, 24 minus 1 exponent 23, negative 23 is equal to 24 over 23 exponent 23. So from here, 24 minus 1, we get 23 over 24 exponent 23. And is this equal to 24 on 23 exponent 23? No. So we remember we reciprocated the function. Okay. So from here, we say that we find the reciprocal of the left hand side, which is 24 on, so this one we are going to get on 23. Okay, 24 on 23 is equal to 23, and it's equal to 24 on 23 exponent 23. So this is our final answer for this question. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye bye.